Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video for you all. We'll be discussing how to lose stubborn fat. I know how frustrating it can be when you're working hard to achieve your fitness goals, but that stubborn fat just won't budge. But fear not, because I've got some amazing tips and tricks that will help you conquer that stubborn fat once and for all. So let's jump right into it. To start off, it's important to understand what stubborn fat is and why it's so difficult to get rid of. Stubborn fat typically refers to the fat that accumulates in certain areas of the body, such as the hips, thighs, and belly. It tends to be more resistant to diet and exercise compared to other areas. This is because these areas have a higher concentration of alpha receptors, which slow down the fat-burning process. But don't worry, we can still outsmart our bodies with the right approach. When it comes to losing stubborn fat, nutrition plays a crucial role. You need to make sure you're eating a well-balanced diet that is calorie-controlled and rich in nutrients. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks. It's also important to create a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories than you burn. This will force your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, including that stubborn fat. Now that we've covered nutrition, let's move on to the next piece of the puzzle, your workout routine. To target stubborn fat, a combination of cardio and strength training is your best bet. High-intensity interval training is a great cardio choice as it helps boost your metabolism and burn calories even after your workout. Incorporating exercises that target specific areas of stubborn fat, such as squats for thighs or planks for abs, will help tone and sculpt those trouble zones. Patience is key when it comes to losing stubborn fat. Remember, it didn't accumulate overnight, so it won't disappear overnight either. Stay consistent with your healthy eating habits and exercise routine. Results take time, but I promise you that if you stick with it, you will see progress. It's important to celebrate small wins along the way and stay motivated throughout your fitness journey. Don't underestimate the power of quality sleep and proper recovery. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormone levels, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a consistent bedtime routine. Additionally, don't forget to give your body enough rest days to recover from intense workouts. That wraps up today's video on how to lose stubborn fat. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to take action. Remember, you have the power to make a positive change in your life, so don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay fit.